Today we again have to look at some important on-chain data. We have to look at the bigger picture to determine where we are in the cycle at the moment. Liam will also talk with you guys about the open interest and the relative strengths of that and how this could indicate where the Bitcoin price could move in the next few days. After that, Timo will have a look with you guys on the charts on the different time zones to determine where the most important resistance support zones are at the moment and where this could lead the Bitcoin price to. If you are enjoying this content, please make sure to leave a like and comment down below to support this channel here and push this daily updates to everyone in the crypto space so everybody's up to date. What are the most important things happening in the market at the moment? And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell, which is totally for free for you, and you will be always updated every day what is happening in the market. And for now, I would say we'll just start it.
Okay guys, then also welcome back from my side. We have another two interesting on-chain data today in this on-chain data part. So we want to go forward and start with our first on-chain data. This is a bigger picture of Bitcoin. The second on-chain data is for the short term and this is for the long term, and I want to start here. So what we can see here is the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and the rainbow colors are replacing different sentiments which investors in Bitcoin have over the time and on the few or on the exact price levels. So basically the blue levels are like a very buy zone, like the Bitcoin price is very low and you should buy here. The green phase is still cheap accumulation. The yellow phase is a little bit questioning and hodl phase, and the red phase is maximum bubble territory and serious sell phase, so basically much overbought with the Bitcoin price. And here we can see that even though we are very high with the Bitcoin price at a current level of over 52,000 US dollar, we are still in a still cheap phase here. So basically we can reach much further high levels of this Bitcoin rainbow chart or of the rainbow colors. And if you take a look at the past cycles, we can see that in every bull market here, 2012, 2014, 2017 and 2022, we have been at least in the or in the last phase of the Bitcoin price sentiment. So basically we have been in the serious sell or in the maximum bubble territory phase. So we still have another very much space going to the upside with the Bitcoin price here, because we are still in the still cheap phase. So basically also to buy or accumulate Bitcoin is still very likely at these price levels we can see here. So Bitcoin can also reach much higher levels here than the last bull market when we see this, as this cycle theory shows, because in the last bull market we have been also here in the second highest phase. So basically if we are going to this level, we see levels much higher above the 100,000 US dollar. So basically guys, let's go forward to our second on-chain data, and in the second on-chain data we can see the RSI of the open interest, and the RSI of the open interest is at a very high point and slowing down. So we are basically over 80% and slowing down. So this means that the opening of long positions is slowing down, and this could indicate that there might be another sideways movement, another consolidation, or maybe a little dump, a little correction to the downside. Because if we are slowing down and we just pumped from like 43,000 US dollar to 52,000 US dollar. So basically if the opening of long positions is slowing down, we maybe see a sideways movement and not continue with pumping to the upside. And now we want to go forward to the chart analysis.
Bitcoin weekly candle close is right around the corner. Now is the big question, will we see another pump over the weekend on Sunday, on Saturday, or will we see another smaller dump down to our red resistance, or better say now support line? This is the question we want to answer right now. So my name is Timo, and today I will analyze the chart together with you. So first of all, let's start on the daily time frame. What we're seeing here right now, I talked about in yesterday's video that it's getting really interesting if the Bitcoin course, the Bitcoin price touches the 52,000 US dollar level. What we have seen is that we lost a lot of bullish momentum. Yesterday we saw this smaller morning star candle, in my eyes an indication therefore that the bulls are currently struggling to gain enough acceleration, enough bullish momentum to get another breakout. But it shows on the smaller time frame that in the next few hours we maybe could see this breakout. Why? We need to analyze the 4-hourly time frame. Therefore, we are currently forming this smaller consolidation on the 4-hourly time frame, means our bottom line is around $51,800. Our top line is around, let's take a look, $52,400, $52,300. And right now we are breaking above our neckline. For me, the indication would be if we see the close at 5 p.m. If this 4-hourly candle closes above our neckline, then we maybe see in the next 4-hourly candle a retest of our neckline, and so we could speak about a next bullish breakout. Why we could see this breakout, we want to take a closer look on the 30-minute time frames right now after the 4-hourly time frame. But what is important for me, that we don't fall back into this consolidation zone. Otherwise, I would say that maybe we see another consolidation over the weekend for the next few days. But what is really important, we could see it on the smaller time frame. Like I told you, we are currently forming this bigger W pattern. It's really beautiful. We have a lower second low. We have a really strong indication that this pattern is currently on a breakout. We are seeing our next 30-minute could make another retest before we have the potential to fill our breakout target. Our breakout target would be 53,200 to $53,300. This would mean we could also see the breakout from our smaller consolidation on the 4-hourly time frame, and also for me would be the validation that we will not fall back in this week onto our bigger support lane here in red. So that are the price levels I'm watching right now. If you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. We will see us tomorrow in the next video. Bye.